Good morning. It is Saturday, the 29th day of April 2017. Let's take a look at some Fibonacci analysis within the Ripple chart. I don't use the conventional or what I would call the linear Fibonacci calculations. Rather, I use exponential, which works in line with the logarithmic chart, and this is that of such. So I take the level of the high of 7,300 and divide it by 428. We got the March lows and the April highs. Big difference. And the number, of course, is going to translate out to close to 20 when you divide the two. Then I use the exponent to the desired Fibonacci percentage in which that I'm looking for. So a 38.2% down correction from the 428 low and the 7,300 highs equates to 2,470 somewhere in around here. Buying at that level, of course, well, that definitely worked out. So it's bounced from that key level. It's been hanging in there within this 18 average band. I use this as a correctionary phase. It's 18 periods. It's front weighted. And I got the highs and the lows in here. And the middle would be around the closest somewhere. But I like the band area. I can see that it is now breaking up towards it. It has so far gotten up to 44.74. So it looks like it's ready to break out. Ideally, when I see this, I'd like to see this come back and move back higher. But the market's going to do what it's going to do. It does look as if this thing is ready to at least make a test of the previous high of 7,300. And when we look at some more Fibonacci, the level from this high to this low has a 61.8% up level at 46.10. It's pretty much already hit. It's a pierce below, which is very odd within these cryptocurrency markets because usually it pierces extra. However, as far as Fibonacci analysis is concerned, you have your correctionary move through price. It has had a rally up to an area where you'd expect for it to settle down a little bit. And at this point, ideally, any type of sideways correction or small price correction would be what I would be looking for. But we do have to keep the alerts open that, again, it's going to test this previous high. On this situation where it breaks 7,300, it keeps going and going higher. I have an up target in at 15,358 Satoshi, which at this stage would be a gain of a little under 300%. And how do I calculate this? This divided by this. I need an uptrend. There's your uptrend. The price correction. There's the price correction. So 7,300 divided by 2191, you'll get a number over 3 to the exponent of 1.618, and then multiply that low number again, and that's 15,358. So therefore, if this thing continues to go further, this thing gets bullish. Who knows what happens when it gets to the high? Either it breaks out or it comes back and breaks out. Either way, as it moves up to this point, I would be very interested and expecting a decent size resistance level in there. So that will be the analysis and some key levels. The numbers are from the Bittrex exchange, although Ripple can be traded on practically every exchange out there. And thank you. Take care.